This tree is 23 years old now. This will die because it's almost at the end of its life. And what you see, if normally you don't see any young ones around this tree because it doesn't happen. If there are young ones, they will die in summer. But now she let the last, this one is I think 2 years old now, 2 or 3 years old. And this one is her daughter. So she will leave this one and this will grow up, and when she is not here anymore, the next one is already here, and she took care of it herself. So it's nice how nature works. You see also this bush again from the trees, or from the birds that are in the tree. So this, you see that there's coverage. And again, if you feel here how much nice the soil is already, this is the reason why this kind of trees I really like to put somewhere in the middle. And in a couple of weeks it will be one big yellow flower.